Yo, what's good, dude? We're going to be replacing a disposal today. You can see I got my M18 Rover Light, which means this is an older video because I'm now using that little O-Light, which is clutch. So the customer here bought a Glacier Bay as a replacement. Never actually installed one of these, so today is a first. Now look at this, man. When I removed it, I noticed it was missing the screws that fasten it down to the sink. So don't really know how that happened, but may explain why it was partially leaking. So we're gonna pull this off and get it switched out. So you can see right here too, there's some issues with this drain. It's the wrong style fitting, catching the basin on the left. But yeah, man, you guys ever see stuff like that when you're working on disposals or underneath sinks? I don't see that type of thing too often with those combos up on its side, but yeah, let me know if you come across that stuff. And also, man, let me know if you like this style of video. I'll keep posting more of them. And if it's too slow, there's a way you can speed it up. Not really sure how, but there's a way you can watch it in like 2x or whatever. So if it's too slow, speed it up, brah. So I'm placing the disposal in the sink on top of the mount to hold it down while I put in that ring that holds the mount together. The disposal will act as a weight to keep that pressure down. Now check this out, man. This washer was split in half. And at some point it was leaking, and the person repaired it by putting a bunch of Teflon tape on the threads in its attempt to seal it up. Apparently it partially worked the way they roped it in Teflon, but could have been easier just to get a new washer, throw it in, I don't know.